In this video, I want to say to you about 7 coins. All of them, I think we can have a chance get right many percentage of them in 2021 or and 2. I believe that all of them can be useful for us for investing, and one of them is Ethereum. We can see in here I'm generally in coin market cap. Second coin in all of the markets, and in here we can see 243 billion market cap. That can be perfect for us for buying now, because in these days now I'm in Binance charts, Ethereum USDT market is down, and I think so great investing time for all of us. Then now I come back to the coin market cap again, and the next one is Binance coin, and that's great coin I think, and we can see in here 48 billion US market cap, and that's have a great part of the market. I think Cardano is so perfect. Cardano have a good technology, and we can buy so cheap that, and that's easy for there. We can give easy money. I think in here BNB USDT chart the same as at the Ethereum, and also other USDT. All of the market now is down, and that's great time for every person have a plan for investing. I think other coin is linked. That's perfect. I think so. 15 number of the all the markets. Atom is the one of them, and I think that's great. Have a great technology. Link chart, all of the chart I think the same as together. The bad basic attention token, so great, 827 million market cap, and ZRX have a perfect fundamental like that others coins, other 7 coins I mean, and that will be useful for us. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.